Hey guys, it's Jenny with Jenny Joyce Soap, and I just wanted to touch base with you today and give you a little update on our kefir cheese that we're making. This is actually a jar of kefir milk with the kefir grains in it that we started 2 days ago, and we've been making kefir milk and cheese for probably 2 years now. The kefir grains are inside this jar with organic milk that we purchased. And once it's done cultivating, right now it's pretty thick, so it's ready to be changed out again. We separate out the kefir grains and recycle them and put them back in the jar with new fresh milk. And this is from a day ago when we poured in the kefir milk and separated out the liquid on the bottom, which is the whey, and the kefir cheese on top. So it's ready to go into a glass jar. We use this on breakfast in the morning, or you can use it with a salad or in place of mayonnaise. For more information about our reusable food wraps, you can find us at jennyjoycesoap.com, and we'll see you there.